What's going on and welcome back. Now this is kind of like a VAGTuner live prep video. We're going to get some bits done on the Golf. We're going to go pick up some spacers to get rid of my clearance issues on the brakes, and then we're going to fit some new bits. It's going to be over 2 days. So today we're at Tint Studio. We're going to get the sun strip done, we're going to get the door numbers done, so I'm going to show you. So I'm inside the Tint Studio. We're in the waiting area. Basically today we're getting the new sun strip done in white. We was going to put a logo on it, but we've just found that there's a crack in the windscreen, so I don't want to put the logo on it and then have to take it all off. So we're going to do that again when I eventually get a new windscreen in. And we're also doing door numbers. Now the door numbers I've had to put on are MSA regulations, have to be a certain size, and we've got a logo at the bottom, and we're going to show you the logo when it's done. I bet you can guess who it is.
On, stick on, doors are clean. Literally just need laying down, that's it.
Yeah. So this is Ryan, he owns Tint Studio, and this is the lovely door numbers he's printed for me with Tom's company, Tom and his dad. And then we're doing this white sun strip. So that's the sun strip done. We're having problems with the machine at the minute, so we can't print the logo yet. We're going to have a look at that. But I don't know if I said it earlier, but we actually found a crack in the windscreen on each side. So this is just a temporary one. We're going to get a new windscreen eventually, and then redo this. But now we're going to test out these door numbers. So with these little magnets, you can obviously like reposition them and that, and that's going to be how it sits. I wanted it so it's just in line with the cage and just in line with the mirror. It's going to look good. It's a bit hot in here though. So that's one on. Easy as that really. We'll try and show how we did it on the other side. But I'm well happy with that.
There goes a sight from my soul.
So that's it done now. We've done both sides. The top bit's done. We're just going to test the printer to see if it does work now. But more than happy. It's looking a lot more race car now. So down below you'll find all the links to Tint Studio. Just look, go and have a look at their Facebook, go have a look at their website. If you want something like this, just let them know, they'll sort it out. Properly professional job. Chris, I've got something to show you, but I need a wee first. Oh, really? Well, I'm about a kilo lighter. Something nice for you outside.
Have you got your number yet?
No, not yet. I don't get that till I actually race. They're only up the road, so I thought I'd just pop down and see you. You like dog. So I'm at Bellmans. Some interesting cars have turned up. We're just going to start fitting the bits now. I've got the spacers. I've got some bits in the back we're going to fit. We're going to pull it in now. I'll show you a car that's turned up in a minute. It's fucking sick. So we are in the garage. We've got spacers. Tom's given me some nice little wing things because I'm missing 2. I've adjusted the wing. If it can't be done with cable ties or a Pritt stick, it's fucked. Try and diagnose these brakes because I want to go on track tomorrow. We're going to fit the toe strap because obviously you need that, but I've got to show you this car first. Avoid the road. Basically, yeah. Fucking wish. So this has turned up. You see this? This is what happens when you don't plan videos. We clash.
You turned up afterwards. I had this on first.
What are you doing, Tom?
fucking shit up. I'm hoping that that's alright with length.
We all have that same hope.
Never had that problem,
Nothing but problems, me.
I'm hoping this.
Cars and chopper.
No, we're not long enough. We're not long enough at first time.
So the next plan, seeing as we don't know how we're going to fit this foot plate.
I've done foot plate.
Have you done it?
Foot plate's done, boy.
Foot plate's done. I've been too busy talking about an NSX. You can't see, but believe me, it's there. Trust my better judgment. And then we're gonna whip the wheels off, change spacers, fuck about the brakes, investigate. If this car falls off on its side, I'm not gonna be happy.
That bar we're about to snap. I'm proud of Snap-on for making it not snapping off.
Now a lot of people have trouble fitting these toe straps. We have got. Where's the one I've got? We've got a TRS one.
Right, that's that boundary. Now we're gonna cut it off and weld it. So my favourite tool.
We had to grind it off, but we've. I wouldn't recommend trying this at home before we kill anyone. We're just going to weld that to that. So it's still removable. For
This is all Jack's idea, by the way. I says this is wrong way of going about it.
I'm staying around the corner from it. Now, any professional installation is finished off with a tie wrap. So we've cut that out with like a little Dremel thing. Now we've just got to put it in secure. You happy with it? Will you install?
Fresh install. Only problem is that doesn't sit there now. But what can you do? Tie wraps invented for.
He died the other day, didn't he? Cable tie guy. The man who invented cable ties is dead. Rip. Good night, sweet prince.
Good night, fucking downbred. God bless him.
Brown-breaded. Drowned. He drowned in cable tie monies.
I'm so upset, not happy.
So we've checked these brakes. We've sanded them back, but there is no reason that they should be doing it. We've put the other harness in, the toe straps on. The only thing left for me to do is to test drive it and find out if it's actually fucking working.